If you have also a Samsung TV or LED or LCD TV of Samsung, then how you can simply change the resolution of your TV in some seconds. For this, go on the official website or on the TV and then you can check the resolution before we show you how to change. We should find out current resolution that is being displayed to you. This way you will need what needs to be changed. So follow the steps to check the resolution of your Samsung TV. Click on the home button of your remote and then click setting. Then head to the picture setting. After that you have to, so the term is often referred as the aspect ratio. You have to adjust the picture size of your TV. So here are some of the options below when it comes to the changing the picture sizes on your TV. So there are different sizes. You can set any ratio you want, that is 16:9, that is uh, the widescreen ratio. Another one is 4:3, that is a low definition aspect ratio. uh, the last is fit to the screen. This picture size displays the whole image, ensuring nothing is cropped on your picture or on the movie. So this is how you can simply change the resolution. This is how you can simply change the picture size, and when you will change the picture size, your resolution will automatically be changed. So follow the steps and simply do this thing on your TV. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more technical updates like this.